Motor Vessel Precision. This is Officer of the Watch, Channel 16, Distress and Safety.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precisions, over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is Batangas BTS, go ahead, over. Motor Vessel Precision. This is Officer of the Watch, Channel 16.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precisions. Our ETA is 0800 hours, October 30, 2023. We are requesting permissions to enter the ports, over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is Batangas BTS. Please switch to Channel 12 for further communication, over. Motor Vessel Precision switches to Channel 1 and 2. Over.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precision, switching to Channel 12, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, Batangas BTS, please provide the following details for your entry: draft number of persons on board, cargo type and quantity, and any dangerous cargo on board, over. Motor Vessel Precision, this is Officer of the Watch, Channel 12.
Batangas BTS, this is MB Precisions. Here are the requesting details: drop 12.3 meters, number of persons on board 34, type of cargo iron ore, cargo on board 12304 metric tons, dangerous cargo. Yes, we have 2.5 liters of IMDG plus 3 on board. Our ports of destinations is Batangas Ports Terminals, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, Batangas BTS, thank you for the information. You are clear to proceed to Batangas Port Terminal. Please proceed with caution and maintain contact for further updates, over. Motor Vessel Precision, this is Officer of the Watch, Channel 12.
Batangas BTS, MB Precisions, acknowledge proceeding to Batangas Ports Terminal, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, Batangas BTS, roger, safe arrival, over. Motor Vessel Precision, this is Officer of the Watch, Channel 12.
Batangas BTS, MB Precisions, thank you, out.